Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a skill boost using a daily training points in FIFA Mobile. So the first thing is you need this daily training, doing this event daily training every day to get daily training points. Currently I do have 14 because I already exchange this point to some item or resources, but please do this every day to getting more these daily training points, so you can exchange these daily training points in the rewards. And this one, you can exchange your daily training point with this skill boost, and you get some random 2,150 of skill boost. So if you need a level up your player skill boost, please do in here. You can do in here also. So the point is do this event every day. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.